Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous BMW X5 xDrive40d M Sport. Now this vehicle has currently done 62,141 miles and it's finished in the colour mineral white. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your very stylish xenon headlights. These light up the road extremely well, giving you great visibility at night. And shows the roads well lit ahead of you. Now around to the side, the vehicle does sit very nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels with the M Sport badge in there. You also have the M Sport badging on the side along with your xDrive40d badge in there on the door. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. And let's take a look here at the rear. You do have 3 rows of seats with 2 here on the 3rd row. It's very handy 7-seater if you have a large family. If you plan on taking family trip somewhere. You have some rear air conditioning there, and it's very easy to fold the middle row back into position. The gorgeous black leather seats, and you do have ISOFIX points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You also have rear air conditioning vents here, so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably as well. And now let's take a look to the rear of the vehicle. You have your X5 badge in there on the tailgate. To open up the boot, you do have a button on the key fob that pops it open very nicely. It is split fold as well, and you have the option to pull down the bottom half to load things in much easier. Here you can see your boot space with the 3rd row down. If you don't plan on using the 7 seats, you do have plenty of a space. You also have this boot cover that keeps the carpet nice and protected. You simply fold the bottom half of the tailgate here and you have a button up top that closes the top half very easily. Very handy when your hands are full, you don't have to struggle to reach up to close the tailgate. Taking a look inside here at the front, you have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You have a nice gloss black finish and metal finish on the dashboard and on the doors. You have your front seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You do have memory settings as well, which is handy if you have additional drivers. You can set up your own preference to your position and you can always revert back to it if it's ever changed. Now that we've had a look around the vehicle, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that it has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric window switches. You also have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding, you can fold the mirrors in to keep them protected. It's very handy when parking on a narrow road, for example, as you can fold them in to prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. It's very easy to make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. Now you do have automatic headlights as well as wipers, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You do have some controls here on the steering wheel where you can make adjustments to your volume. You do have your cruise control as well, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, allowing you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. You also have a speed limiter as well. If you're conscious about speeding, you can set up a speed so it doesn't go over it. You have your trip button here at the end of the indicator stalk that adjusts the display below the dials in the instrument cluster. You have your infotainment system here that's controlled using the spinning dial and buttons here in the center console. You can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM. You can easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle, and with DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital. So if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clear. You can also save them to memory if you don't want to scroll through all the list of stations every single time. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have USB and auxiliary inputs, and there's Bluetooth as well. Of course, with your Bluetooth, you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls. Now, you do have navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. The guidance is very easy to follow and navigate through. You can change the view of the map using the scroller to zoom in and out. You also have a very nice 3D effect. You can import your contacts into the vehicle there, and here you have your connected drive with your BMW services you can access. You can also access things as well, like your hotline. Here you have your front and rear parking sensors to give you added confidence when parking. It gives you more awareness of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see, and it shows you how close you are to things. Now you do have your intelligent safety here. You have your front end collision warning. This can detect potential hazards ahead and alert you so you can emergency brake to prevent impact. You can change it between late, medium or early, depending on how you want it to alert you. You also have your pedestrian alert, which can detect any pedestrians throughout the day. It can brake if necessary as well to prevent colliding with them. You also have your lane keeping assist, which will hold you in the lane and alert you if you start to drift out. You have your dual zone climate control here that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices, along with choosing the direction of airflow and the fan speed for their side of the vehicle. It prevents any arguments to do with the air conditioning, allowing everyone to travel comfortably in the vehicle. You also have your heated seats as well, so you can keep nice and warm and forget about the cold outside during winter. Keep you nice and cozy in the vehicle. And you can sync it up to be the same throughout the vehicle as well. And here next to your automatic gear selector, you have your different driving modes that you can flick through. And when you make changes, it's displayed on the infotainment screen. You can see your Comfort, Eco, Pro. You also have your Sport and Sport Plus. These change how the vehicle perform and handle, depending on your driving mood to enhance your driving experience. It's very straightforward to make changes to this. Thanks for watching this video on the BMW X5 xDrive40d M Sport. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.